Mama Boo's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm gonna share with you one of my simple version of the classic peanut butter cookie. Features creamy peanut butter, chocolate flavor, and chewy cranberries as an extra surprise. Look how thick they are, guys. Look at the yumminess. They are so good, soft, thick, and chewy. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. I'm gonna start off by combining our dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, I have about 1 1/4 bread flour, and I add about 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, along with half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon cinnamon. Then I'm gonna combine all this together, then set it aside. Into a separate bowl, I have about 1 1/2 stick butter, which is like 3/4 cup. I'm gonna add about half a cup of creamy peanut butter, half a cup granulated sugar, and half a cup brown sugar. Beat all this together. Now I'm gonna scrape my bowl. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract along with 1 egg. Beat this for a minute. Next, I'm gonna scrape my bowl again. Gradually, we're gonna add flour mixture. Next, we're gonna stir in chocolate chips, peanut butter chips, and cranberries. Okay. All right. We're gonna scoop our cookie dough using an ice cream scoop. This recipe, guys, yield 3 dozen cookies. Place couple of chocolate chips and cranberries for nice visual, just like so, guys. Couple cranberries, just like so, guys. Bake in a preheated 375 Fahrenheit oven for 8 to 10 minutes until edges are set but centers are still soft. The cookies are baked. It's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna let them stand for 4 minutes, then remove to wire rack to cool completely. For this recipe, guys, it makes about 3 dozen. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you are new to Mama Boo's channel, welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Please check my other cookie recipes on my playlist. I have a very good recipe for oatmeal cookies, guys. Go check it out. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.